Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you buy and sell crypto on Mexc? So, it's going to be really simple. So, bear with me on this one. So, on the actual site itself, just go ahead and click here, and in here, you basically select which type of currency you like. Okay, so they have a lot here. I do believe they have USDD as well, but whichever it is that you'd like to buy and sell, just basically choose from one of these, okay, and withdrawal. You just basically input it here as well. So once you're done with that, just basically click on confirm. Again, there's a bunch of stuff here that we still need to traverse to, but yeah, just follow the step-by-step process in this one. All right, so just basically agree to their terms and conditions. So you've already chosen what type of currency it is you like, and click here. As you can see on the side here, there's something that says buy and sell on the side here. Just wait for it to load a little bit. So here goes the buy, here goes the sell, and here's the currency that we've chosen. Euro, it's USD. That's basically it for the USD. On the buy here, you can just basically pay them via Visa or credit card. Here are the currency: US dollars, Ruby, Philippine peso, since this is my country's currency. So yeah, equals to 80.26. Yeah, that's fair. Okay, so there's a lot of platforms out there that sell these things for ridiculous amounts. So Mexc is absolutely, just click here to buy, absolutely fair on this one. So it all boils down to 62.29. This is the reference price. Once you're done with that, again, just click on your country's currency. Okay, so let's say if you're trying to sell, same thing. But if you sell, here's the thing here. If you sell, your country's currency might not be here because they only come from, I do believe they only go for, same thing with the USD. I do believe that they only go for Euro, and they go for Euro. Yeah, that's it. There's no country currency here. Euro and USD. Oh, there is US dollar, and there's euro as well, but my country's currency, when you choose selling, doesn't exist here, so it doesn't matter. It's just currency exchange. So yeah, so once you're done with that, just click on sell USD, and there you have it with the selling. So depending on your payment method, there's a bunch of payment method options here. Okay, choose payment method currency, then you can just basically click here, and yeah, you can basically start selling from there. All right, so one of the reason why Mexc is basically one of the best platforms out there is that it supports basically an incredibly diverse range of cryptocurrencies. Like, unlike any platforms that focus on mainstream tokens such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin, Mexc also lists smaller, emerging, and niche tokens as well. So this means that whether you could, basically, if whether you're dealing in popular assets or more obscure projects, you'll likely to find a trading pair available for sellers. So this breadth ensure that you liquidate almost any assets with ease. All right, so additionally, the platform frequently adds new tokens, so ensuring its users always have access to the latest projects in the crypto ecosystem. Okay, so this makes Mexc a go-to platform for those who want to sell altcoins or tokens that are not widely available elsewhere. So beginners benefit from this one is from a clean, simple layout that guides them through the selling process without overwhelming technical jargon. Experienced traders can have access to advanced trading tools, charts like these ones, and data basically for a more comprehensive experience overall. So this dual approach ensures that anyone can navigate the platform with confidence, so making it an attractive choice for selling cryptocurrency, in which I just showed you guys a while ago. Liquidity is a critical factor when choosing a platform for selling cryptocurrency. High liquidity ensures that you can sell your assets quickly and a competitive price without experiencing significant slippage. Mexc excels, sort of like excels in this area, boasting deep liquidity across a wide range of trading pairs. This is especially important for traders dealing with large volumes, or those selling less basically popular tokens overall. Okay, so global availability, as a global accessible platform, Mexc caters to a broad user base and supports multiple languages, making it a preferred choice for basically a lot of crypto enthusiasts out there. Okay, so a quick review what we did here: just basically inputted a bunch of informations on the ad withdrawal transaction. It doesn't really matter if you go there in the first place, just making sure that it's on par. Showing me red signals is basically it's empty. I'm just using this site for tutorial purposes. So again, buy and sell, you can basically choose from here and choose whichever currency it is you'd like to put. Again, you can choose your country's currency, but when it comes to selling, they only accept euros, and they don't even accept US dollars as well. And that's basically it: buy or sell. So I certainly hope that this video is of any help for you guys, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.